Today I am sharing with you one of my favorite salad recipes, that is cowboy bean salad. If you are bored with those flavorless salad recipes in the name of healthy eating, try this interesting flavor-packed delicious salad. This is very easy to put together for a quick meal or as a side dish for party or potluck menu. The best thing about this is you can make it in advance and enjoy it for next 3 days as it stays good in the fridge. In the end of the video, I'll show you how to store it and serve it so it remains fresh for the longer time. So now without any further delay, let me show you this easy summer salad recipe. You will need all these ingredients. First, start by making lime dressing. For that, in a small bottle, add extra virgin olive oil, lime juice, black pepper, salt, sugar, chipotle if you have, or otherwise paprika. Tighten the lid on the bottle and shake it well to combine and emulsify to make the lime salad dressing. I have made this dressing in a small bottle for one-time use, but you can make more and keep it in the fridge for next 2 weeks. Keep this aside. Now to assemble this bean salad, in a mixing bowl add corn, kidney beans or any other beans you are using. If you are not using kidney beans, you can use any other beans also. Chopped bell peppers, quarter tomatoes. I have added baby tomatoes. If you don't have, you can use regular tomatoes. Now I am adding freshly chopped avocado, which I have cut into small pieces. The avocado adds nice creamy taste as well as a healthy fat in the salad. Also add chopped coriander or cilantro and pour the lime dressing which we recently made. Gently mix in all the ingredients and toss it well to combine. Now you can add onion at this stage also or add them later. I usually do not add onion at this stage because that way they become soggy and the salad acquires a lot of oniony taste which we don't like, but you can add it right now or add it as a garnish like I'm doing now. When you use it in last, that way they remain crunchy and taste better. And that's it. Our delicious salad is ready in the minutes, and finally I'm garnishing it with some more coriander and chopped onions. It's all done. You can enjoy this salad as it is right now. As I said before, I often make it in advance and that helps me a lot in eating healthy on regular basis. For that, I put it in a glass container with the airtight lid and seal it with a fitted lid. Since dressing is already there and it has lime, avocado does not turn brown because of that. And when I am ready to eat this, I simply take it out, refresh it with some more lime juice and enjoy it chilled. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this summer you will love this chilled salad and try this out. If you do share your feedback with me in the comments. It always helps to encourage and improve. I'll see you in the next week. With a delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking, stay healthy and stay safe.